Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So I have come up with a very important announcement. CBSE board exams 2021 dates are announced and you're going to have your exams from May 4th. Yes, it's an official information from our Union Education Minister. So you'll have your exams from May 4th till June 10th. Okay, so almost 1 month you're going to have your exams. Okay, and before that, let me tell you that you have 4 months for your preparation. Okay, Jan, Feb, March, April. So you have solid 4 months for your preparation. And all the CBSE students, let me know how many students are interested in the courses. As you all know, we have launched app, and I have launched two courses. For one is for Telangana and one is for AP, Andhra Pradesh, and the response is really good. And I already mentioned that a few students have asked about CBS courses. So I mentioned you that I will launch the course once the exam dates are announced, because I was expecting the official information today, right? So now as we got the official information, and now that we know, we have 4 months, 4 solid months for our preparation. So I'll schedule the course accordingly. Okay, so we'll have a 4 month course, proper preparation we shall have, okay, in these 4 months to score 100% in your max, right? So let me know, all the CBSE students, how many of you are interested. Let me know in the comment section below, so that I'll plan the course accordingly. And one more important information for Telangana and AP students is that now that CBSE exam dates are announced, now our states will also be in parallel lines with the CBSE dates, right? So you can also expect your exams in the month of May. As I was always telling you that expect your examinations in April ending or May first week. Okay, so that the same prediction has come true. So you can also expect your exams in May. So be serious from now, start your preparation now from now. And as you know, we have launched two courses in our app. One is target course for Telangana and focus batch for AP students, and the response was good. And for today the course is only for 1,000 rupees for 4 months. For 4 months it is only 1,000 rupees, which is only 250 per month. Yesterday the focus batch rate has increased from 800 to 1,000, because the first 100 students have already bought it and the offer expired. So now I'm just opening up the offer. Today till midnight, the course will be available for 1,000 rupees, both the target course for Telangana students and focus batch for CBSE Andhra Pradesh students. I will open it up, and the offer is valid till today. So it is only 1,000 rupees. Avail this offer this new year. Make a resolution that in your board exams, I know your studies are very much disturbed, but make a resolution at least now, January, February, March, April. These 4 months are very crucial for you. Yes, so 250 per month is not at all a cost. So do invest in your studies instead of investing in parties and all. So invest in your studies, and these 4 months, make it a point that you will score more than what is your level. Okay, suppose if you are a student of 60 percentage marks, aim to score at least 80% in your board exams, because this memo is going to be with you for your entire life. Your class 10 memo, marks memo, will be with you for your entire life. And trust me, no one will ask you your inter marks, but everyone will ask you what did you score in your class 10. Your 10th class marks are so very important. Even when you go for your job, also inter marks are not considered, but your 10th marks are considered. So be serious at least now and avail this offer. So 4 months I'm going to give you a perfect training. There are many mock tests which you can give. Okay, weekly test we will have, and practice sheets we will have, and we'll cover the entire syllabus, okay, within these 4 months perfectly, so that in the month of May you can give your exams comfortably without any fear, right? So I know now you are all relaxed, but please don't be relaxed now. It's time for you all to be serious and steady, because as I told you, this 4 months are very crucial for you. Once you lose these 4 months, you're not going to get it back. And once you get your marks memo in your hand, that is not going to change, right? And with entire life you have to be with the same memo, and everyone is going to ask you your marks. So be serious these 4 months. Make it a point, keep a goal for 2021 that you'll score good. These, at least the first 4 months, you have to work hard to score good marks in your board exams, right? As the CBSE dates are announced, expect the same dates for your Telangana and Andhra Pradesh board exams also. right? So I hope I am clear. So and I'm just repeating it, the offer is valid till today midnight. Okay, 1,000 rupees for 4 months is really really low. So avail this offer, right? So 250 per month is really cheap for whatever I'm offering. So avail this offer till today midnight, and then I'll just close this offer, because for AP also it was 800 till yesterday. I just increased it yesterday because the offer, the first 100 students have already bought it, so now the offer no more is available. And today I'm opening the offer 1,000 for target and 1,000 for focus. Please do avail this offer. And CBSE students, let me know how many of you are interested in the course, so that I'll launch a separate course for you, because the preparation has to be different for you and compared to the state students. So these 4 months, let us work together, and let us score very good marks in your board exams, right? So I hope you'll think of it. Okay, think of it, be serious at least now. I know you're all in party mode, but in this party mode you have an important announcement. So parties, new year parties, this year you'll get a new year party, next year also you'll have a new year party. But your board exams, your class 10 will, you will get your memo for your entire life within 4 months. So be serious, think of it. Okay, and make a proper schedule for your studies, right? And choose the right path. And as I told you, for max I am here. Okay, and depending on the response, if more students want other subjects, we will launch other subjects also in the app, right? So now I'm very sure that from the official information, we have 4 months for our preparation. So these 4 months, I know, all from June we have been wasting our time because of pandemic. There were no proper schools. You have forgotten more than half of your subject. But now these 4 months I'll help you to remember everything, to score good marks, right? So avail the offer. The offer is only till today midnight, 1,000 for 4 months, right? For both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh students. And one more important announcement for class 9 and 8 students, I'm going to launch your courses tomorrow. As you know, now CBSE dates are announced, it is May. So the same exam dates you can expect for you also. So exams will be in May. So these 4 months, let's have a good preparation for class 8 and 9 also. And class 9, it's really important for you to score good marks, because in June you're going to be in class 10, which is a very important year for you. So set your goals, right? Be on the right track, and now start your studies. Be serious this year, so that you can achieve your goals, right? So I'll see you all in the next video. And I'll give the link of the app in the description box. Just download the app and go through the courses. It is the cheapest course, the best in the market, with very good quality content. And we are going to have live classes anyway, doubt clearing sessions. So go through the course and avail the offer is valid only till today midnight, right? So I'll see you all, take care, bye bye, and wish you all very happy new year and successful year ahead. Thank you.